So at the end of the year, you'll be cashing out $3.750. And this platform, no be MMM. They are registered, they are licensed. So don't be all this platform that just, and it's not CBEX. Which one that you people are talking about? CBEX, that one. No, it's not this thing. And some of you will be like, 25%, I can do a business and earn, can they come? Do you understand the risk that come with business? Do you understand the risk that come with business, and how business have to tie down your capital, and how, imagine if you have to Japa tomorrow and you already start up a business, how are you gonna do it? So that's why I said Japa investment. I know of one investment app that even when I was making my research, this was their rate. As I was making my research, in fact, it was supposed to be TV. Before I say, ma, do video, ishi, those ones, they don't slash their rates. And that's because they have more people investing on them compared to this thing. So of course they're doing their shakara, and it's that time. So now they're just going to key in into the ones that are not so much in the public space. And you know that even if an investment platform is not in the public space, you guys know you have to be careful with your money. Make you not run away with your money. So like I said, I have to do my own background check and to be sure that these are ways that you can use to like recover your money in case of anything. Hey guys, welcome back again to another video that you guys are expecting or thinking about. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about something different and usual, and I'm not sure I really talk about things like this in my videos or anything like that. And that's because you guys know this year I think I'll be my 4th year. I've not really officially celebrated my 4th year anniversary, but I feel like this is my 4th year in this business. So of course, year in year out, I try to improve in my expertise. I try to add more services. I try to expand because I want this brand to be known for Gbogbolushe. Like they used to say, jack of all trade but master of everything in my own case. So this one is only to the fact of like regular complaint. And like I used to tell you guys that when I do consultation with clients, or maybe in my comment section or during my research, and I see a pattern, and when I see clients complain of similar pattern, what do? I try to look for solution. So I'm making this video. So in as much as I still have like the future dream to actually have my own brand regarding this particular topic itself, but for now I'll stick back work with giving recommendations because I have a whole lot in my plate. I have to do with school, my immigration business, I have to do my research and everything. So I might not have the 100% attention to like stabilize my own business regarding this, but in future, trust me guys, I am working on my own brand for this particular service as well. But for now, I had to dive right into research to go and look for a brand that you can trust. Yeah, a brand that you can trust and save your money with. And this one is only to the fact that there's some people that they want to jackpot, their money is just with them. There's some people that they want to do trading, these investments. And even me, I remember when I wanted to try to start investing, and I'm seeing how people used to shop breakfast. All these crypto people, all those, can you come? I shop breakfast. The stock market is reducing. Me, who has a potential for that one, I cannot go through all of that. So that's why I now sit down that, okay, now let's sit down and collate all the types of investment that we have in the entire world together. Look at the world, which of them are risk-free, less free, high risk. Even if I want to lose money, make notes to my capital, I don't feel shout. You understand? And flexibility and all of I shall sit down, I shall analyze. And then I came about 2 investments that you guys can do. Like I used to tell you guys that me, I'm not even of commodity investment of Kinicom because I know how person they shock big fast on top of that, right? Yeah, but I was able to find 2 ones that I feel like you can actually put your money and you go to sleep with that. And aside that, me checking this one, there are other things that I have to check for me to be able to know that I actually trust these services enough for you guys to actually put your money there, right? And actually 2. The first one, they offer interest rates up to 25% per annum. So whatever you fix, right, your money has to be there per annum. But then they have, if your money has to be there for maybe 6 months or lesser, the rate is there, but max and more is 25%. And then another good thing about these two investment services, they are not in the public space. People don't know them. So there are chances that they can actually increase their rates rather than reduce it. Because I've noticed in the past, investment platform that they've done advert for, they're in the public space. Once people know about them, they'll just reduce their rates like that. So for now, I feel like they're going to do more of increase rather than reduce. In as much as investment platform, they reduce or increase their rates, interest rates, based on the economy or what NAIRA is saying, stock market and all of that. But then it's also only to the fact that if there are more people on that platform. I know of one investment app that even when I was making my research, this was their rate. As I was making my research, in fact, it was supposed to be TV. Before I say, I do video, ishi. Those ones, they don't slash their rates. And that's because they have more people investing on them compared to this thing. So, of course, they're doing their shakara and it's their time. So now, they're just going to key into the ones that are not so much in the public space. And you know that even if an investment platform is not in the public space, you guys know you have to be careful with your money. Make sure you don't run away with your money. So, like I said, I have to do my own background check and to be sure that these are ways that you can use to recover your money in case of anything. You guys know that even when all this fintech, and that's because we Nigerians, right, we are not used to all this online thing, especially when it comes to money. Even in my business, in immigration, somebody will be like, how can I pay you when I've not seen you before? And in my mind, I'll be like, so you want them to say person who you don't see before? No, never run you straight before. So it's after COVID, we're just embracing online, we're just embracing fintech and all of that. So you say, how would I put money in something that I don't know that this thing like that? Yeah. So I made my research, and after you pay your money, I'll tell you the things that I checked. I'll tell you like this thing, right? So it's not like there are not this online platform that they are invisible. They might be invisible to you, but they are not invisible to the security organizations like that, right? There are a lot of things, lists that you have to go through, and this thing that you have to check. Like I said, when you go pay your money, I'll send you screenshots of things that I checked for me to be able to verify them that, oh, this is what you should put your money on. Like I said, there are two. The first one is 25%, then the second one is like 22%, right? But now the rate has dropped. It's now like 21 point something percent. So depending on when you invest, it's 21 point something percent now. But the other 25% is kind of stable. But this one you have to fix your money. So in as much as you can take your money anytime you like, right? Yeah. So if you have the Japa money that you are not Japan yet, you're not ready to Japa or anything, you can actually put your money in this account. With this platform, fix your money there, and when you're ready, you can take it, right? At least that way, you could have incurred more interest. That interest might be able to fight inflation. And then some of you will be like, 25%, I can do a business and earn. Can it come? Do you understand the risk that come with business? Do you understand the risk that come with business, and how business have to tie down your capital, and how, imagine if you have to Japa tomorrow and you already start up a business, how are you gonna do it? So that's why I said Japa investment. People that they already plan that I'm leaving this country, this is where I'm going, but for now, maybe the money is not enough for any. So this is a way of your money, of you increasing your money compared to leaving it in the banks. Because when you leave it in the bank, how much are they paying you? We have some banks that they will even be deducting your money safe. They will say card maintenance, this one maintenance, oh my, your way. So instead of leaving the money idle in the bank, take the money and put it in these platforms that I recommend. Like I said, that I recommend. I have done my research, right? I have done my research. People know that me, I'm not of all this, not be crypto, because some of you say it's crypto. It's not this crypto stock market, because me, I'm not a lover of all these high risk businesses. So just imagine 25%, and then you put in maybe like 1 million naira, 2 million naira. Let's just calculate for 2 million naira. Let's say at least an average Nigerian can have 2 million naira. So 2 million naira times Wait. 3 million naira times 25 divided by 100. 750,000 naira extra. So at the end of the year, you'll be cashing out $3.750. Sorry, naira. Yeah. But then tax, 10% tax. That's times 10 divided by 100. 75 minus 750,000. So that means you have 675,000 naira on top of your 3 million naira in 1 year. And like I said, people don't know about this platform yet. And yeah, people don't know about this platform yet. So there's chances that their rates can increase just to attract people. And this platform, no be MMM. They are registered, they are licensed. Like I said, after paying your money to me, I'll send you evidence of their license. Everywhere they're licensed, they are registered, they are everything. So don't be on this platform that just, and it's not CBEX. Which one that people are talking about? CBEX, that one. No, it's not this thing. So I had to do my deep research about these countries, about this platform. Yeah, right. So for me to tell you the name of this platform that you can invest in, I charge you $500. Yeah, simple and short. It's just 2 of them. Yeah, 500 USD. And like I said, you can remove your money at any time. You can add money at any time and anything like that. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you're not interested, you can send me a mail, you can send me a DM, and I cannot wait to have you guys on board. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Peace out.